We had jumped some hogs right over here, and right now I'm actually heading out to try and locate 2 of the hogs and get it back to the house. It's freezing. Oh wow, this is a problem, guys. This is where the hog is. I'll be back. I have several layers of clothes on. I'm about to put on these waders in case I have to get a little nasty in the water. Hopefully not. Hopefully my plan works, and you're gonna see that here in just a second. All right, guys, so here's the plan. I got a bow fishing kit. The hog's there. Let's see if this works. I didn't get to try out the bow. Now when I got to right there at the brush, I could visibly see that the water was not deep, and I was able to retrieve the board sound safely. All right, guys, so there's the pigs. We got her back. We got the sow back.